Good afternoon, everyone. I am Dr. Massimo from ReActo, and we recycle the toughest to treat industrial wastewater that is currently incinerated with our patented graphene-enhanced sustainable treatment. This is industrial wastewater. It's highly toxic both for humans and environment. If improperly treated and released into the ecosystem, it will irreversibly affect both humans and the life underwater. This is why many companies are getting fined and heavily punished worldwide for non-compliant discharge. The toughest to treat wastewater contain persistent organic pollutants, or POPs, highly toxic and non-biodegradable substances that are produced by many industries, like pharma, chemicals, semicon. Think of antibiotics, hormones, gas, pesticides. Recent studies show that most of the rivers worldwide contain POPs. And if we do nothing, antibiotic-resistant bacterial infections will be one of the greatest health threats to humanity that is already killing millions of people every year, more than malaria and AIDS combined. Common practice is to store on site this concentrated industrial wastewater with POPs, then truck it off-site for incineration, and these incinerated ashes are then sent to the landfill. Yes, people are literally burning water, very energy-intensive and expensive, because it is the most viable solution to legally dispose this type of waste. Each year, more than 70 billion tons of such waste is produced, and its treatment with alternative technologies to incineration is worth more than $7 billion, growing at 8% rate. These technologies, however, are not cost-effective. They have a high capital and maintenance cost. They're not technically effective at high concentration of POPs, or they use dangerous chemicals that will generate a lot of sludge that needs to be further treated and disposed of. This is why an interdisciplinary team of scientists at the National University of Singapore worked tirelessly for the past 6 years to create a breakthrough process that only uses electricity to completely decompose POPs into water and CO2 on site. We are the first in the world to atomically bond graphene on the surface of the electrode to double the energy efficiency to electrochemically treat POPs. The patented technology, exclusively licensed to ReActo, treats on-site the waste, eliminating the need for transportation and its greenhouse gases emissions. It recovers precious, hard-to-treat wastewater and does not generate any waste that needs to be sent to the landfill, all while saving costs up to 50%. We are actively engaging with potential customers both directly or through water system integrators that have a well-established clientele. We already had 2 signed letters of interest and 5 NDAs with companies in chemical and wastewater business. And we are now working with them to prove our technology at scale and validate our business model by end of this year. We will then deploy an commercial scale system in 2023 by selling our product or leasing it via treatment as a service model, where we will charge based on the volume of wastewater treated. Our team is composed by myself and Dr. Zheng Xiong, with a combined experience of 18 years in both water treatment and material science, and with the full support of our funding labs, both in terms of expertise and resources. Starting from Singapore, ReActo aims to become the sustainable solution provider for industrial wastewater that is currently incinerated, so that we can save almost 1% of the global water withdrawal, eliminate persistent harmful pollutant from the environment, all while reducing greenhouse gases emissions and energy consumption. We are looking for partners and investors to join our mission. Speak with you soon.